So hi everyone. This is a demo video or a tutorial video of GitSync. Now, what GitSync is, it's just a Python tool to automate the syncing of repositories to the GitLab. Let's say the worst nightmare is, let's say, losing your GitHub account, your GitHub repos in which all your code is. If you don't want that to happen, better you can sync it with GitLab and also keep a local backup. And that's what GitSync does. It sync all your repositories. It basically mirrors all the repositories, all the codes with every branch in your local system as well as Git in on GitLab from the GitHub. So that's all. So the thing is, there's two way to use it. One way is you can like manually do Python 3 main.py. I mean, run the main file, and for that you need to have all the in variable configured, and that is actually given in the documentation pretty nicely. The second option is if you want to automate and you want that it should run as a cron job, or if you want to use it in CI/CD. There's two script. One is build.sh, one is deploy.sh, which will do the whole task. So currently, let me reactivate my virtual environment. So currently I'm in the repository that GitHub backup. So this is the same repository gitsync by 2ls. These are all the files here. Now, if first I'll show you how to deploy that it as cron job. So the thing is, I have Mac and I have Linux. So for both of them it works. I don't know about Windows it will work or not, because we are using cron tab for this, and I don't know that it works on Windows or not. So you can contribute for Windows. Leave that aside. Leaving that aside, I will just start it. So first you need to make the script executable. So deploy.sh, build.sh. First you need to build, make this also executable. Then we need to build. So GitHub username, I think you remember it. Sign minus token. Go to settings. Then developer token, classic token, classic. A name demo GitSync 30 days. So the access which we want is the repo level. That's it. So it gives access full control of the private repos. Generate token, copy, paste, GitLab username. So my GitLab username is this, sign minus, the same. You now need to get access token over the GitLab. Go to edit profile. Here you will find access tokens. Create one, generate token, demo. I will keep this as, let's say, 30 expiration date. You can keep it for 1 year, and then again you need to get one more token. So keep that in mind. So we want two access. One is API access, and the second is write access over get over HTTP. So what API access will do is the API access will grant the read access, so that let's say if the repository is not there, we need to create it to push. So for that we need API access, and for pushing from the git like git commands, we need this write repository access. Click on generate token, you get token, copy, paste. Now GitLab, you can create GitLab groups, but I don't do so. I'll keep it blank. So repos visibility. So let's say you have public repos and private repos on your GitHub, right? If you do it auto, whatever the repositories is private in your GitHub, it will be private on GitLab too. If your repository is public on GitHub, it will be public on GitLab too. For all your repositories to be private, choose private. For all your repositories to be public, choose public. I want all the repositories to be private. I will just write private and click on enter. It will create a virtual environment, install all the dependencies. So that's done. Now we will run deploy.sh to deploy this script as a cron job. Let's say I want to run it as 3 a.m. Click yes, done. It will list. So this is the one which I created just now. It will run at 3 a.m. Now let's clear this all, and let's say you want to run directly. So first you need to install dependencies on your, like, create a virtual environment and install your dependencies. That all how to do it is already like very clearly given in readme, the instructions. Okay, that is very easy. Then you just need to run, like, activate the environment, run python main.py. It will start syncing. So what it does is it will create logs folder automatically. It created env folder automatically. It will create repos folder. It will start syncing. You can see all the logs stored here. So yeah, that all functionalities. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes uh, to sync all the repos. And let's say if the repos has push on GitHub and it is not synced to GitLab, so it takes some more time. So yeah. So the thing is, I've already have synced GitHub like repos on the GitLab previously. So my GitLab has like I just rank sync some 1 hour before. So actually no new code is there on the GitHub. So that is why it is going pretty fast, but it takes time. So the suggestion is run as at a cron job, because otherwise you need to like stay awake. So guys, we are at 90. So yeah, here we are done. We can check the logs. So I'll just check the logs here. City logs, ls cat, fine, all is done, and the same logs can be accessed from here. So yeah, this is all. So one major thing which I want to highlight, uh, if you can deploy is on like as a cron job, deploy it. If you can like on a cloud, like so several cloud offers that you can deploy a script as a cron job, and it will like take care of all the things. I will say prefer that. If you're using EC2, then that is also good, because the thing is, your laptop needs to be on every time. So let's say the cron job will run in 5 minutes. Okay. So your this laptop should be on. If you like, let's say put it in sleep mode, it will not run. Okay, it will skip. So uh, if you can prefer a time when you use the laptop, so that in background it automatically syncs your like all your repos, or you can use a free instance of Google Cloud, or like that could be also better, because it's just a simple background job which is done. So yeah. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can mail me. My mail ID is um, this. Okay. So, this is my email ID. You can mail me, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.